Here we are again, close to Easter. We have decided to make some diamantini with chocolate and rice. And here we have the ingredients: 450 gram of butter, 250 gram of powdered sugar, and 60 gram of cocoa butter. We add 60 gram of eggs and 500 gram of rice flour. You combine all the ingredients in a machine and you make it work. This is a recipe from a famous chef known for his healthy pastry recipe. So after working a bit, you will put on a table and work with your hands. When the dough is ready, you will put into a bowl and start to shape. You divide into 200 gram portion or into the thickness you desire. You shape it, and you prepare circular loaves. You roll each loaf into the sugar instant espresso mixture like this. Make sure you have enough sugar on it because this will give you the small diamonds look. Then when it's done, you cut into pieces. It will give you at least 140 biscuit. You put on baking sheets and bake this on 180 degree for 15-20 minutes depending on your oven. When they are ready, you take it out. Our 15 minutes are gone pretty fast today. And you will keep cooling on the tray. It will stay at least 2-3 days with no problem. These sparkling gems will melt on your mouth. It's fantastic. So you will tell me later on how it tastes. Thank you and see you next time. Bye.